Good morning children. Today for grade 2 we are going to see coding sandpit. It is our skill subject. So in this class we are going to see chapter number 13. So the name of the chapter is making rangoli. What is the name of the chapter? Making rangoli. For spelling for making is MAKING, making. Rangoli, 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 making rangoli. What is mean by rangoli? Using dots we will draw some images, pictures, etc. It is rangoli. Let us learn how to draw the rangoli. So first we have different type of shapes. Yes or no? Yes, we have different type of shapes. In our day-to-day life we will able to see some shapes. So using dots we are going to draw the rangoli. First one we are going to see different kind of shapes. First one is the color. What is the first one? It is color. Next one trace. Third one connect. Color we have different shapes. What are they? Square, triangle and circle. What are the different shapes? Square, triangle and circle. What is spelling for square? SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. It have four sides. Square have four sides. So two standing line and two sleeping line. Two standing line and two sleeping line. So in square all the sides are equal. In square all the sides are equal. Trace. What is meant by trace? Trace means they have different dots. Using the dot we have to make the picture. So using the dot we have to connect them to make a shape. In trace we have to make the connection and we have to finally give the output as square. So we have to connect the dots. Next one connect. So it has only four dots. Connect has only four dots. So we have to join each dot with another dot to get the square picture. So we have to connect each dot with another dot to get the square shape. Next one is the triangle. Next one is the triangle. What is spelling for triangle? TRIANGLE, triangle. What is spelling for triangle? TRIANGLE, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Trace. What is the use of trace? Using trace we can able to draw the picture. Yes or no? So we can able to connect the dot and we can finally get the shape of triangle. Then connect. What is the next one? Connect. What is mean by connect? So using three dots we have to connect the triangle. If we join these three dots we can able to get the triangle. Third one is the circle. What is third one? Circle. What is spelling for circle? CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. Using trace we will connect the dots and finally we get the circle. So in connect they have given some dots for circle. We have to connect them and we can get the shape of circle. What are the shapes we have learnt? Square, triangle and circle. So this is a part of rangoli. If we connect the dot we can easily get the different type of shapes. Look at the picture children. What you can able to see? So there are different type of shapes. Yes or no? Triangle, circle, square, then diagonals. So all these are connected together to form the rangoli. So different type of shapes. What are the shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle, diagonals, oval. So these shapes will combine together to make a rangoli. So it is a drawing. We can easily get the drawing. So in this picture we can able to see different type of colors. Yes or no? Yellow color, pink color, red color, blue color. green color, orange color. So these are combined with different shapes to form the shape of the rangoli. They have connected together to form the rangoli. Next we are moving to chapter number 14. What we are moving? Chapter number 14. So it is making shapes rangoli. We are going to make the shapes with the we are going to make shape of the rangoli. Yes or no? What is spelling for shapes? S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Rangoli. R-A-N-G-O-L-I. Rangoli. R-A-N-G-O-L-I. Rangoli. So here we can able to see, children, what you can able to see? So we can able to see a rocket, is or no? Yes. So a rocket is moving upwards to the sky. A rocket is moving upwards to the sky. So there are some stars. A rocket has triangle, rectangle, circle and other images. So these all shapes are connected together to make a rocket. Star, triangle, circle, rectangle and other shapes are combined together to form a rocket. So nearby rocket they have given some dots. Can you able to see the dots? Yes, they have given some dots. With the help of the dots we have to draw the image of the rocket. With the help of the dot we have to draw the image of the rocket. How to draw the image of rocket? So they have given based on the rocket. So we have to connect each and every dot. How many stars are there? Totally there are 3 stars. So up one star. So in the right side we can able to see 2 stars. We have to connect these dots for making the star image. Next one they have given circle images. With the help of that dots we have to draw the circles. Next one they have given for triangle. So we have to connect the dots to make the triangle. Then for rectangle. What is spelling for rectangle? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. We have to draw the shape of rectangle. Finally we can able to get the rocket image because we have drawn triangle, rectangle, circle, stars and some other shapes to form a rocket. So this is how we can able to connect the different dots for making the shape of a rangoli. Rangoli is nothing but it is a drawing using dots. We are framing the shape of rangoli. Okay children, I hope you get very bored in this class. So let us learn a story. So can you guess the story name, children? Yes, let us see the story. First one, a crow is flying and it is seeing some water and it is dropping some stones and it drank the water. So this is a crow story. Let us see one by one, children. Yes, let us see. First one, what you can able to see? A crow is flying with very thirsty. It feels very thirsty. It is flying high and it feels very thirsty. Thirsty means it needs some water. Its throat become very dry. So it needs some water. So it wants some place of water. It looks for a place where the water is available. So it finds a place that there is a pot and it has only very little amount of water. It found a pot with little amount of water. A crow is flying and it is finding for water, searching for water, and it found a pot with only little amount of water. Then it got an idea how to drink the water. Can it drink the water? No, the crow body is very big. It cannot enter into the pot. How to drink the little amount of water in the pot? So it think and got an idea. It picked the stones nearby and dropped it into the pot. It picked the stones and dropped it into the pot, and the water level rises up. When the stone went into the pot, the water level rises up, and the crow drank the water. And the crow drank the water. So the water level increases and the crow drank the water. Okay children, so what is the story? So a crow feels very thirsty and it needs some water. It searched water around it and it found a pot with only little amount of water. It got an idea and it picked the stones near to the pot and dropped it into the pot. So when these stones enter into the pot, the water level increases. When the stones enter into the pot, the water level increases. So by looking at the water, the crow drank the water. The crow drank the water and ran very happily. So this is the story children. So the thirsty crow is the name of this story. The thirsty crow. What does mean by thirsty? So if we need some water and we feel the throat is dry, it is called thirsty. So the thirsty crow drank the water finally happily. What is the moral of the story? We have to think and act. We have to think and act. What does mean by thinking? If we have a problem, first we have to find the solution for the problem. We have to sit and think the solution for the problem. So this is the moral of the story. Okay children, you have to complete the book back activities of Rangoli. What do you have to do? You have to join the dots and you have to find out the shapes of the Rangolis. What are the shapes? Triangle, rectangle, square, then circle, oval. So these are some of the shapes. Then we have also learnt about the rocket Rangoli. So we have to join the dots and finally we can able to get a beautiful rocket. Okay children, complete the book back activity for these two chapters. We shall meet in the next class children. Bye bye.